Welcome Virgos to a journey of meticulous growth and profound self-improvement as we step into the enriching year of 2024. A year that promises personal development, accomplishment, and substantial growth. Hello, diligent Virgos. And today, we're setting the course for a 2024 filled with unparalleled progress and self-discovery for you, the most detail-oriented and growth-focused of all zodiac signs. Virgos, your attention to detail is unmatched. This year, use this precision to refine your goals, focus on the small steps that lead to big achievements, and watch your plans flourish. 2024 is a canvas for your personal growth. Embrace learning and self-improvement in all forms. Whether it's through books, courses, or new experiences, your journey towards self-enhancement will be remarkable. While you value independence, remember the power of connections. This year, nurture relationships that encourage your growth and offer support. Together, you can reach greater heights. Health and wellness are close to your heart. In 2024, prioritize your well-being. Balanced nutrition, exercise, and mental health are key to sustaining your energy for growth. Perfectionism is a double-edged sword. This year, learn to embrace imperfections. See them as opportunities for growth and innovation, not as setbacks. Your organizational skills are a significant asset. Use them to create order and efficiency in all areas of your life. A well-organized environment leads to a clear mind and successful outcomes. Finally, remember to celebrate your progress. Acknowledge each step forward, no matter how small. These moments are milestones in your journey of growth and should be cherished. Thank you, Virgos, for joining me on this motivational path. As you navigate through 2024, remember to harness your precision, embrace growth, nurture your well-being, and celebrate every step of your journey. Here's to a year filled with remarkable progress and personal triumphs.